What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Pharrell Williams NMD Hue White from the Inspiration Pack that released on November 10th for a price tag of $250. Now, this shoe features an all-white knit upper, a black midfoot cage for the lacing system, and it comes with a pair of green laces. I think the green laces gives it that extra pop on the shoe. It really looks nice with that hint of green color. And also, the laces are 3M. I'll put a picture here so you guys can take a look at. The 3M hits really hard on the laces, in my opinion. But if you're not feeling the green laces and you just want to, dumb it down a little bit more, it comes with a pair of white laces that are also 3M as well. Now, on the back of the shoe, you'll notice the yellow tabs. Those are in fact 3M as well. One is the Adidas original symbol, and the other one is the Pharrell Williams symbol, which is really cool. Again, I think the yellow works really well with this shoe. I think it looks super sharp, in my opinion. Now, it does have reminiscence of the Solar Pack that released last month. If you notice around the ankle collar, it has that kind of that East African heritage pack that they tried to call it before. With the colors, it looks really nice. Again, it gives it that extra pop on the shoe, and I feel like it just works so well. Now, the big feature of the shoe is definitely the Chinese symbols on each shoe. If you look right here, this one says Inspiration, and the other one says Empower. Again, really nice touch on the shoe. It really looks nice. These are in fact embroidered, which is again really nice. Now, this pair right here, you can't really see as well. You have to look up close up because it's white on white. The shoe that is going for the most for resale value is definitely the sky blue. Now, that pair is the only pair out of the whole pack to have contrast stitching on the Chinese lettering. If you notice on that shoe, the knit is baby blue, and then the stitching on the Chinese lettering is black. So if you want to go with that, that pair is definitely fire as well. But I feel like this one right here is probably the most wearable out of all of them. Now, you're probably right away like, well, Roscoe, this is also the pair that's probably going to get the most dirty. You're absolutely right. But again, you have brands like Crep Protect or Shoevinator and all those ones that sell shoe cleaners, and those you clean them up no problem, no easy. Now, on the bottom of the sole, now it kind of matches, if you look, white knit upper and a milky kind of grayish sole. It has that tread. Now, this is the tread that they featured on the Solar Pack as well. It looks kind of rugged if you think about it, but when you wear these, you can't feel the tread at all. They are absolutely super comfortable. It's probably one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. In fact, I'd put it, between the Yeezy 350 V2, Ultra Boost, and these. Any order, you can put them in any order. They are by far the most comfortable shoes on the market, hands down. Absolutely hands down. Really nice touch. It comes with that, that rugged feel to it. But again, you don't notice it when you walk. It works. It just feels really nice. Trust me, it really does. Now, on the inside of the shoe, it has that, that Pharrell Williams touch with it has the body. It goes through the body of your foot, which is supposedly the impressions that you make when you walk. I don't know how that works, but it's kind of cool. Another added detail to the shoe. Now, this shoe, in my recommendations, is a must cop. If you're looking to get a Pharrell Williams shoe, I think this is a great opportunity to pick one up out of this pack because they're currently selling like at retail or even below retail on StockX. So you can absolutely get these for a steal, in my opinion. Definitely a must cop. I feel like, again, this is probably one of the most wearable shoes out of actually any of them out of the packs. If you look at this one right here, again, crazy, super crazy colorway. But there's actually a huge difference. Huge difference between this one and these. The knit on this one is super thick and tight. When I put these on, my feet are just like squeezed. I went true to size on this. This upper is very thin upper. Super stretchy, more breathable in my opinion. It fits a little bit bigger on me. So again, I'm going to throw these on guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the whole Pharrell Williams Inspiration Pack. Where do you rank these ones, the cloud whites I'm calling them? Where do you rank these out of the whole pack? To me, I think you can go, this is probably my favorite, and then the sky blue. Either way though, you can't go wrong with any of them. But guys, I'm going to throw these on foot, give you guys an on foot, so you guys can check them out that way. But hey, if you guys liked my video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Hayes told me come back with a better intro.